have just discussed on our first video clip on system concept. What is a system? And then we had a look at the so-called system component or SC. Now in this second video clip on systems in education is system behavior. This is quite hard to understand, but just listen, and when you get out of this classroom, you can start to talk with your friends and discuss what it's all about. Okay, when we talk about system behavior, many people wonder, does the system have any behavior? You can understand that human beings, animals can behave. But why does the system behave? Okay, actually the behavior in this sense is the way in which one acts or conduct oneself. Is also one behavior. Second, for animal or persons, acts in response to a particular situation or stimulus or stimuli. Third, behavior is a natural phenomenon or machine works or functions. You see, when you drive the car, if the car is in normal situation, its behavior is really peaceful. It will not shake, you see. But suddenly when you, while driving, the wheels start to swing and the engine start to give you strange noise, that means the car is having strange behavior. Okay. So in this third sense, is mean the natural phenomenon for anything at all, for the machine to work or to function in normal or abnormal conditions. Okay. Behavior is what? Behavior is defined as observable performance or changes relating to properties or forms of non-living things as evidence from their work or functions or the change by times. This is the behavior related to non-living things. Behavior of the computer, the PC, behavior of this on-palm device, portable device, behavior of your car, your motorcycle, motorbike, motorcycle, bicycle, so on and so forth. Or even kitchens, device, or equipment. You can see the difference. Okay. Now, when we bring the word behaviors to system, we call system behavior. Now, let me give emphasis to this. When we talk about system in academic field, you put S in here because the sign of system, such as economic, you put S. Economics is the study of economy. So when you put S in here, system become systems is the study of system. Okay. System behavior is the act of a system resulted from the changes of components from its conception, from its birth, existence, and entropy. Entropy, this is what it means, starting to solve away or to disappear, to end. Okay. What does the system behavior comprise? It comprises first the working performance of the systems. Second, the change of the system. Third, the change of the system due to undue time. When the time passes, it change. Getting older, it works less efficiency, or age of the system. Okay. Now, when we talk about the study of system behavior, how could we do that? Okay, how can it be done? System behavior can be studied through the following. First, investigating the system components. We look at the component starting from what? From CC or SC context component, setting component, and then input, process, output, feedback component. Okay. Investigating system components, then observing the interaction of system components. Third, investigating the system components outcome. Investigating the first one, this on the outcome. Fourth, analyzing the properties of components. Okay. So when we talk about the study of system behavior, it may be based on the structural and processing system components. Okay. The study of system behavior based on structural system components, we study what? We study boundary and environment of the structural system component, SSC. And then we study the interactions of structural system component. We also study subsystems and hierarchy. Subsystem, it means after the component is divided into elements, part. So in this can it must be arranged in order. So we call hierarchy. Okay, hierarchy. The study of system behavior basing on the system attributes or characteristic. Maybe we're looking at system conditions in 4 aspects. System quality, you have to put at S in here. System security, interrelations of the internal components, and system dimension. Okay. We are talking about system behavior by process. Okay. The study of system behavior by considering the process may be considered with the treatments upon various components such as dynamics and changes, rules and regulations, and system maintenance, system depreciation, system entropy towards disorder and dissolution. Now, we stop here for the third clip. We talk about system approach, which will have a look at different models of developing a system. Okay, we stop here first.